is Neha and welcome to my channel. So today's video is about how you can create your database. So let's get started. I'll show you two methods to create your database. First is using command and second is using graphical user interface. Okay, so let's begin. Open your SSMS Management Studio first. Okay, now connect your management studio with your local machine or your global online machine. So you can create or connect your SSMS with your available credentials, like I'm connecting here with my local machine. So see, our SSMS is connected now. Now click on new query, write a command, create database my sales tag. Now this is the basic command of creating your database. uh, Now it is very necessary while giving your database name. Basically, uh, the database name is given without space or any special symbols or starting with any digit. So please avoid those practices. Just simply write your database name, because if you give a space between them, or it will create a major problem further. So avoid this, and if you are really necessary to have the space, then write it with these brackets. Okay, now it will not create problem, but you have to keep in mind that adding this will make your spaces fine. Now next is using digits like this 1 2 3 in the beginning, or using special symbols. It really a bright practice, so please avoid these. Now I have written the command here and just execute. It will create your database. So I'm executing now. The command completed successfully. Now if we refresh here, this my sales tag, I just created this. Now if you explore, you will find the basic components it has, like tables, views, external resources, and many other, which we'll discuss later. Now after creating your database, you must know about where your database is created, where your file is located, how many files is created. So if I have to know this, you have to just click here and go to the properties. Once it opens, go to the files. Here you can see the basic essential informations like auto growth, size, and some path. Okay, now if I start with this size, this is the basic size of your database. Once your database is created, it is initially giving it space of 8 MB. It is a auto growth, which is described as if your database is fulfilled, it is auto growth by 64 MB. You can change according to your need. Okay, in percentage or in megabytes, you can always change this. Now it has a column is path. Here you can see your file is located in C program files. There's this blah 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 and so on. And the file name is mysalestag.mdf. This is the basic data file. Second is your log file. Okay, it is also located in at this location. So just copy simply. It will not copy from here. Okay, it is not allowing you to click. So please press Ctrl C and go to run, paste, and here you can see. Okay, hold on, my sale tag. Okay, you can see these two files here I just created on 10th March. Okay, this is the data file and this is the log file. So basically it describes your file location. Now you know that where your file is created. You can always change your path accordingly. And if you are given the path, some companies use D drive, E drive, and if you're working as a DBA or as a developer, you must know about the path. Okay, so this is the path. Now you cannot change it from here. So creating your database with a command, I will just not recommend you to create your database through command, because you will not get the essential informations that where the file is creating and how much size you are giving to your database and blah blah blah. So the next option is creating your file with graphical user interface. Now go to the database, create new database, where you have to give the name, just like I'm creating my sales. Okay, tech 2. Okay, hold on. Next is your initial, now you can change. Okay, this is the 2. I just need 2 MB space, so I'm just giving it to 2 MB. Next is your auto growth. I think 8 MB is sufficient, so I'm writing here 8. It is in megabytes. Okay, same here, I'm creating it with 8 1. Now you can always change this. Okay, you can always change this. Click on OK. Now see, your database is created. So in this way you can create your database in this two ways. I'll just recommend you to create with graphical user interface, so that you get essential information, and you must know about this as a developer or DBA. So this is all about from my side. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.